back. So this is the Lego Friends Creative Flower Shop set. So it's a small flower shop and I think it looks so wonderful. So Astrid is also included in this set. So she's like a woman who marries pets, and Nova is also included in this set. There are so many nice flower vases and stuff like that in this set, and I think they designed it so well this year. It looks so wonderful. There are so many lovely flowers, and there is not actually a very proper photo of the inside yet, but there is still a photo of the inside. The inside looks actually very nice and cozy too. There are like lots of flowers on the walls, as you can see. Looks so nice and neat inside, right? And there's also like this bicycle for 2 people as well. And like the one that we usually use for like hair decoration, like the flower ones, now they're also using it as flower, which is also a nice idea. And this one, the vase looks so nice and cool, right? I never thought that they would use this piece as a flower base, but I think it's such a great idea. Looks so wonderful, right? Yeah, looks so fantastic. I can't wait to see this set. I think it's so fantastic. I don't know why it's not yet revealed in the official Lego site yet, but anyway, it kind of looks like this on the top. Looks so nice, right? And that wall with flowers looks so great. Yeah, so I can't wait to see this set, and this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye. It looks so cute. I love it so much. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.